If you're an Emirates Airlines employee looking to log into your staff account, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to access the Emirates Airlines employee login and get into your account smoothly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Emirates Airlines employee login page. You can usually access this by visiting emiratesgroupcareers.com. On the login page, you'll see fields for entering your credentials. Begin by entering your username. This is usually your Emirates employee ID or email address assigned by the company. Next, enter your password. Make sure you type it correctly. If you enter your password, there's usually a forgot password link. Now, once you've entered your username and password, simply click on login. And that's it. You're now logged in into your Emirates Airlines employee account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.